Hi everybody, Telegram is holding a new competition. It is called App Icon Competition, and there's a $10,000 prize pool for it. The contest duration is 5 days until October 19th, and the task is to create icons for Telegram in both Android and iOS platforms. Your task is to create at least one icon, but you're free to create more, and you can use different themes, different colors. You can use for example holidays like Halloween or Christmas. You can use cartoon characters, movie characters inside your icons, and so you're free to use a wide range of materials. And I have written the guidelines for both Android and iOS in this link for you. I put the link in the video description. And finally, you should submit your answers to this spot which I have written here. I hope you compete and win some prizes. The best artworks potentially might be added to Telegram original icons in the application, so everybody in the world will be able to see what you have done. Alright, this was Arash. I hope you the best and see you next time.